Problems module. This is the Problems module where the problems or the diagnosis details of the patient can be recorded. Log into your account, select the preferred patient from your patients list and click on New Health Record and navigate to the Problems module. If the module is unavailable, click on the Show More button and select Show Problems. Click on the Add icon to enter problem information. In the description field, the users can see a drop-down of the codes and details that have been previously entered into this module by them. The Problems module is supported with the ICD and SNOMED codes, which are universally recognized database of medical codes. The users can also type in a few characters and search for the codes for the database. The users are also provided with the option to enter details manually. Here you can specify the from date from the calendar. You can click on the Save button to save details. Click on the Save and Add to save the information and open a new form to add another problem. Click on the More option to add or remove fields for more information to be recorded as required. Enter any relevant notes to the problem here. If the doctor feels that this particular problem could be used in a frequent basis, we provide our users with the option to store them as favorites or templates and use them in future visits. To save favorites, click on the Add as Favorite icon and click on the Save button. You can also use the Add Label button to assign details to labels from existing labels or create a new label. The same details can be stored to multiple labels. You can also click on the education link, which is available for certain problems, to learn more information about the problem. Click on the Favorite icon here to view the favorite problems stored and labels created. Click on the ellipsis icon to view the labels and select any label to view the details already stored in them. Clicking on the Add icon to easily import the information into the module. This will enable you to reduce a lot of charting time. Before completing the health record, if the user wants to delete or edit any of the information already added, click on the already saved information and click on the trash icon to delete the details. To edit details, click on the already saved information. Make the required changes. You can also remove fields included from the More button by double-clicking on the Close icon available next to the field. A single click will enable you to close empty fields. Click on Save to save the changes made. You can navigate to a new health record and this data will be visible in the new EHR in all future health records for this patient until marked as cured. To cure a problem, click on the previously saved information to confirm if the problem has been cured or not. Once cured, the details will be moved to the past folder. You can view the past completed problems information by clicking on the ellipsis icon and selecting the past cured problems option from the drop-down. You can view the details of the cured problems so far. Clicking on the Add icon will also enable you to easily import the information into the module.